Hey class, sorry I can't be with you guys today, but I'm really excited to tell you about our end of the year project and what you're going to be doing. So, you are going to research how stuff works. So, for the project, you're going to research a question that you may have always pondered, and in the process, you're going to investigate the chemistry that we've studied this year and the chemistry of everyday life and report it back to the class. You will be able to share what you've learned in either in-class presentation or a YouTube video. And so that it's more fun, you're going to structure your presentation like an interview or a question and answer session. You can use a fellow classmate, a friend, or if you're using a YouTube video, a parent to do your interview. So be sure to follow the guidelines that are in the research packet, check in with me on the due dates, and read the attached rubric so that you know how it will be graded. So, what do you need to do? Well, the first step is to pick a topic. So, I've provided 20 different questions in the research packet that you can look and choose from, or you can pick your own and get it approved. So, what do these questions look like? Well, why do they say sports drinks are good for you? And how do they work? How do batteries work? How does soap clean? Maybe research household chemicals and figure out which ones shouldn't be mixed. So those are just some ideas of research topics. Okay, after you've picked your topic, you're going to do your research. And we're going to do this from a chemistry point of view. So there are questions that you should consider that are also included in the packet. And be sure to use at least 3 different sources for your research, and those don't include Wikipedia. Be sure that you use proper citations for these sources and include them in your script. Wait a second, we haven't talked about that yet. All right, I've also provided a gathering grid for you to organize your research. That grid has 8 questions. Be sure to have at least 8 questions in your Q&A. So, what's that script that I talked about? Well, step 3 is to write your script. This is a Q&A, so it's a good idea to write a script. Aim for your presentation to be about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure it's engaging, informative, and interesting. Again, you can either do it in class or as a video. So you need to let me know what you decide, whether you're going to do it as a video or a class presentation. You're going to be able to do this on a Google Doc. Here is the small URL. You're going to click on that and it's going to bring you to a Google Doc where you're going to log in your name, the interviewer's name, and whether you're doing it as an in-class presentation or if you're doing it as a YouTube link, you'll put your YouTube link right there. All right. So after you've done all that, you'll be ready to share your presentation. So make sure that it's interesting and engaging and relates to the chemistry that we've learned. So why is this important for you to do? Well, in addition to being the capstone on your year of chemistry, it is also your part of your final exam grade. So please be sure to do a great job, hit all the required elements, and entertain and educate us all. Thanks so much. You have the rest of the class period to go to the library and work on picking your topic and starting your research.